Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting. This will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. Then we have another interesting one. And this time around, I'm looking at foot and headwares. Foot and headwear. And to think that this country is spending 17.1 billion for foot and headwears alone. Different kind of footwears, different kind of headwears, different kind of footwears, different kind of headwear. 17.1 billion. Like I said, because Germany is the third largest economy in the world, next to China, US, China, Germany, and sometimes competing with Japan. This country is spending 17.1 billion for different kind of headwear. As a matter of fact, what you call shoes, otherwise called leather footwear, out of the 17.1 billion, 35% of it, that's about 6 billion, is being used to import only footwears, but leather footwears. In fact, they import leather footwears, they import textile footwears, which can be worn within the house, leather footwears, which can be used for office use, corporate wears, rubber footwear, which can be used during rain or walking in the waterlogged area or water region. The combined footwear import of this country swallow is about 81%, or rather 82%. So 82% of the import of head and footwear is 82% of that, about 80% of the head and footwear import comprises of leather footwear, rubber footwear, textile footwear. So if you are within the space of footwear, maybe textile footwear, maybe rubber footwear, maybe leather footwear, then this is a market you cannot afford to toy with. How about headwears like knit hat? 4.29%. Umbrellas, 1.56%. Fake hair. Fake hair, that's hair extension for ladies. Fake hair, 0.72%. Other footwear, 1.33%. and the parts, different parts of a footwear, 3.25%. This country is spending 17.1 billion to import different kind of head and footwears.